In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Digimon Storytime Stranger on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Digimon Storytime Stranger is available on many different platforms, including PlayStation. However, as it stands today, the game is only available on PlayStation 5, so I need to make this disclaimer in the beginning of this video. You will not be able to play this game on old-gen PlayStation 4. I apologize for the misunderstanding, but this also serves as a warning. If you see any sort of video claiming that you can play this on old-gen consoles, sadly that is not true. So the answer to the question in the title of this video is that you can only do it on a PlayStation 5. Either way, what you have to do is visit the PlayStation Store. I'm going to be showcasing this through the website, but you can absolutely follow along on the PlayStation Store directly on your console. And when you look for Digimon, you will find Digimon Storytime Stranger. So the game is very well rated at the moment. It almost has 5 stars. It has 4.79. It is going for $69.99 and it is off sale because it is quite recent. If you scroll down, you can also find the demo, so if you would like to try out the opening chapter before committing to a purchase, you can download the demo for free. You have the deluxe edition, which includes the costume set and the season pass, and finally the ultimate edition, which has a bunch of goodies. You have some add-ons here at the bottom, and you can browse through ratings and reviews as well. So go to the PlayStation Store, either on the website or directly to your console, and purchase the game. And remember what I mentioned in the beginning, it is only available for PlayStation 5. I find it extremely difficult to believe that they will release an old-gen version of this game. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.